Hi everyone. Welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. I am going to pause on the video for crafting just for today because I want to share with you what I got in the mail. First, my son wanted me to share this with the community. He had a little bag of Legos. He's into Legos right now, so his joy is my joy. While we got it right. So I hope you had a great weekend. I hope your Monday was well. And here we are with this. It's two little Ninjagos. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the cartoon, but it's Ninjagos. And this is a well. And it looks like you could get some kind of water. I don't know. Has a pail, a froggy, and then this little thing turns, which is really cool in my opinion. So, yeah. Now, let's get to the nitty gritty of it all. I got a package from Unity, and right here, it is a clump of something, and I don't know what it is, so let's open it up and see. You know what? Let me back up. I know that I have a package from Unity coming because I'm in the subscriber thing, but I don't know what this boxy thing is. Also, I cut the thing trying to open it. It says, "Hi, this month's free gift was supposed to be a stencil, but our laser had other plans. It quit on us mid-production. Instead of holding up your kit, we're popping in some glue dots to keep you crafting. The good news is next month you'll get two freebies. Wow! Your stencil plus the regular monthly gift and not and add in the glue dots from this month and it will work out beautifully. Thanks for rolling with us. We're so grateful for you, Angie." Let's see what she done gave us for free. Y'all know how I feel about quote unquote free stuff. Let's look at the. I'm intrigued. The snowman has called out to me quite quickly. So let's just see what they gave us. So we got a snowman, and oh, we got some Christmas stuff. Y'all, October 31st is not even here yet. Let me tell you, Michael sent me a Christmas tree purchase. Guess what though? Half off. It's like 60% off Christmas stuff already. Jack Skeleton ain't even had a chance to roll through, y'all. This October kit is all Christmas. I love it. It's so cool. Look at this little reindeer. We got some bulbs. You could just stamp these on Christmas paper and cut them out if you wanted to. Little labels, Santa going over roofs, the nativity scene were partial, Mary, Joseph, and Jesus, this snowman talking to this bird, some houses, and another picture of Santa. Stay cozy, my dear. You make every season sweeter. Oh, how cute. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Holiday hugs are on the way. Season's greetings from our home to yours. A cozy Christmas and a Happy New Year. All is calm, all is bright. With love from two. Do not open until the 25th. Me. Peace, joy, Noel. So I want to see how these sentiments are before we get into the stamps. Because I keep. Oh, this is pretty big. This would be good for a Grinch stamp, right? These things are pretty big, y'all. Yes. Y'all know I've been complaining about the size of the stamps these last couple of times. So this is definitely like some little mail postage. Let's see the reindeer one. Right here. I like that they do it on brown. I'm not sure if they did it better on brown because it's cheaper paper or because it doesn't reflect so much when people are doing their videos. I don't know. It's a win for us either way. This is pretty cute. We'll have to do that. We probably won't get a chance to do it this year, but we will be. I'm gonna continue the Christmas year round. This whole stamp set is Christmas. Usually they give us pieces of some things. The funny thing is, this is October. We didn't even get a turkey for November yet. I'm just saying. I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying. I'm just putting it out there. So all the sentiments are not touching. I do recall earlier in the year we had some that was touching and yeah, not very good. Cause no, I don't think anyone really wants to cut their stamps up unless you buy a stamp that requires cutting up. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. Anyway, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining at all about this stamp set. If it was a snooze it, I would have a hard time doing it. So they gave us 100 count glue dots. I struggle with glue dots. I bought some before. I could not figure out how to get it done. I wonder how many people are in this kit club about this particular one. And so then we have some A2 size card and two tags and the glue dots for our quote unquote free gift. I don't know. How you feel about that? I don't know. I'm excited to use this snowman. I'm gonna have to pull out some craft paper, y'all. We haven't did snowman on craft paper in a while. But you know what? Since it is the 21st, the 25th is right around the corner. And if I can remember it, we will have to get into it. This is cool how they did this one. Makes me think of Heather with her splattering. Love that. Um, and it says bleed proof. What? So it doesn't tell you what was used. It just shows you the assembly, even though we got pictures. But we got paint. And then this guy. They use shimmer something. I don't know. Anyway, I like this kit for October. It's called Frost and Folklore. Rudolph is going to be so cute. We're going to just stamp him out like 10 times and make 10 cards. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Um, Again, if you want to look more into this, you can go to unitystampco.com, I believe it is. I think that's what it's that's how it goes. Anyway, I hope that you have a great rest of your day and talk to you tomorrow or the next time I craft. So until next time, happy crafting.